Bitcoin is consolidating in this tight range right now, guys. I'm expecting a massive move in Bitcoin in the next coming days, and we might even see that next big move today. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you where I think in which direction that move will be, which levels that I'm watching to the upside and to the downside, basically. Basically the structures in Bitcoin. We are going to have a look at the signals at whaleportal, try if we can make any sense of the markets right now. First of all, Bitcoin has been in a downtrend, in a short-term downtrend. If we look at the hourly chart, also when we look at the 4-hour time frame, we are we're actually technically still in an uptrend. But in the short-term time frame, as you see, we do make lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and so on. So short-term, we're still in a downtrend. Long-term, on the macro term, we're actually still in a uptrend, right? We have a high low. Still here we also have a higher low. So that is good to take into consideration. Bitcoin is getting squeezed in this pattern right now. I wouldn't call it a bear flag anymore, because a bear flag normally is quite shortly lived. So that means we have a dump, we have short consolidation in a rising channel, and then we continue to dump. So I wouldn't call this a bear flag. This is too long of a consolidation for a bear flag, in my opinion. So that's why I'm not going to assess this as a bear flag, but I think we can look at this chart from a more zoomed out perspective, because we might actually riding now some significant support, which means that we could either bounce from these levels, or when we break, see quite a massive move, maybe even a capitulation event, but definitely a massive move if we were to break out to the downside. Okay, so we've drawn this rising channel right here. It looks quite valid, right? We have the respected top, respected bottom, respected middle, but we also have this green line right here, which is slightly changed in degree a little bit. But if we were to make a channel out of that one, we can also see something quite interesting, that we might trade at the support right now of that channel. So this break of this channel, I would say, is not yet a decisive break of losing the structure, because we still have a higher low, and we potentially could still be in that second channel. So that is not the arguments that I'm going to use in today's video. But this is basically the structure on the 4-hour time frame. Still in an uptrend, arguably still in a rising channel, which means that we could see a bounce from these levels. But if we look at some different charts, I actually think the chances become less likely, because first of all, on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price going sideways, while the relative strength is going up. Rounding this normally shows us that we actually see a form of a retracement, so that we see consolidation, and the relative strength index is creating space for bearish momentum, and then coming back down, and then that bearish momentum will be or can be expressed in the price. So that is one argument that we are seeing in the short term time frame, why I think that this is not yet the low in Bitcoin. Then another chart I want to bring up, and this is a chart I have been mentioning quite often lately, guys. This is the stablecoin dominance chart, and I'm basically going to do quite a safe bet. And that safe bet is that I'm going to be bearish on Bitcoin as long as we are trading above this support. Why? Because we do have a W formation. We broke above the neckline, as you can see right here. We are trading above that neckline, and that neckline is holding as support. If this chart continues to go up, Bitcoin's price continues to go down. We do see the relative strength index coming up as well. We haven't lost that uptrend in support. So therefore, I have to assume that Bitcoin's price will continue lower until we are seeing a reversal in this chart. So we can see a reversal in multiple times, right? Multiple things we actually can spot that reversal. First of all, lose that support right here in the chart. That is the first one. Second of all, lose the support on the relative strength index. Third of all, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can draw a pattern right here from the chart, which looks like some form of a maybe a rising wedge, potential rising wedge formation, or rising channel. Maybe rising channel is actually better. something like this, if we lose that support right here, which is quite aligning with that horizontal support. So guys, this is actually what I'm watching, and I'm planning to open a long position on Bitcoin very, very soon, as I think this uptrend will continue after we have found a bottom in this correction. And as you guys know, I'm waiting for the 60-day cycle low that is coming very soon, most likely this week, and I will share these details on how I'm opening this trade, when I'm opening this trade, where and when I'm closing this trade, because I already know right now the date I'm going to close this trade, or roughly around the date I'm going to close this trade, and when it's invalidated. I've shared that whole detailed plan over on WhaleAlerts on our Telegram channel. So if you are interested in that, you can join WhaleAlerts with the affiliate link down below this video. But this is going to be very, very interesting. Guys, I want to know your opinion. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you think that Bitcoin is going to come down right here in the coming days, or do you think that Bitcoin is going to go up right here in the coming days? Let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Very much appreciated. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Very much welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Guys, be careful trading. We are going to see some volatility most likely in the coming days. So that's going to be nice to see. And thank you all for watching. I wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.